We have the company here in Os, Brabant, and we started the company like a little bit more than 25 years ago. So our day-to-day business is servicing of all kinds of Porsche, from the Macan to especially 911, of course. That's about 75% of our work, and 25% of our work is the specials. Today you saw the green one, this is the number 10. Right. We call it von Schmidt, the name we gave the brand. And we have built 14 of those cars. The number 15 car gets ready this summer. We have a sit down and we talk to each other what the customer wants, what we can deliver. First I want to have a test drive with the customer with a von Schmidt car, so he knows what we're going to build. And the 964 drives like a 964, so if the customer is used to have a car like new, like a 992 or so, and he wants to have a remodeled 964, we cannot make the car drive like a 992.
No.
So first we want to have the customer in the right place, and that he knows what he's buying and that we can deliver what he wants. The only car for number 12 was for a customer who it was an American, and he had a job, a temporary job here in Holland. And we met some time ago, and then he was enthusiastic about our company and about our builds, and he had a car from his father. His father gave him a car, a 964, and the car was in the family for I think the car was 4 years old, and they got the car. So it's a 1991 Carrera 2 it was. So they had the car a long time in the family, and it was really a family car. So he wanted to do a proper job with the car because he liked the car, but not the way as it was. He had his parents flew over to Holland, and they visited our workshop also. So it was really nice. And then in the end, when the car was ready, it was shipped by plane to Washington State.
That's amazing. Yeah. That's an amazing story.
The Macan is a car from myself. It was an original normal Macan, and I bought it from a friend of mine in Chicago. The prices there are really low. Idea for building a Macan in my way, how I wanted it to build. And then we have a partner here, Intrex, who supplies the shock absorbers. And they made a special shock absorber set for us, which delivered 5 centimeters of height. And then we put in other tires and like you have seen, and the bread wheels. If I didn't have my team, I wouldn't sit in this place at this moment. So the workshop depends. I depend on my team. They depend on me also, of course. But without them, I could not have the garage as I have it now. So I got a really great team. Paul he works here the longest. I think it's more than 20 years now. Niels is the brother from Paul, so I've got 2 brothers here, but they're working perfect together. Yeah. And Niels is coming from another garage where he was working only on the new cars. We bought some parts from the UK, but then it increased when you guys moved to Holland, and you see you're now really settled there. Yeah, and Zico is a really good partner you call him. He knows exactly what you want to have. If there's something that you want to have immediately or whatever, he goes the way. He does what we ask from him, but he does even more. So yeah, we're very pleased with our partnership. The prices are good. When you say you deliver. So yeah, we're really enjoying working together with you. Yeah. And I like that you have more like a broad spectrum of parts which not only the original part, but also some parts that are even better than the original because they're more developed. We are loyal to our customers. The customers are loyal to us. We treat the car like it's our own, which everybody should do. But it's also, we know that the car is more than just a car. The car is something, it belongs to the family, it belongs to him, it's his way of life, or her way of life, and then we can take you to the process, what we're going to do, or what we're not going to do, or are we going to make a process for a couple of years. So yeah, we're really into the customer. We don't decide for the customer always decides for ourselves. We can adjust our agenda for our customers if they want to have something doing fast. It's not a company that is just where you leave the car behind and then you get a phone call that your car is ready. So we take you through the whole process, and so yeah, that's a thing which our customers really like. Yeah, that's what we do. So that's why our slogan is "Your Porsche, our passion."